Great. Good morning. Today's special breakfast sponsored by iGiver NGO organization along with the Hotel Madhyas. They both distributed, sponsored today special breakfast. The iGiver NGO used to contribute lots of social service in the Chennai city and other district also. And during the Diwali time, we used to get lots of lovely sweets from Adayar Ananda Bhavan Hotel. And this is the first time they organized to Cheshire rooms and lovely breakfast associated with the Hotel Madhyas Srinagar. And both organizations, we are sincerely thanking to all the contributed donor and the organizations also on behalf of resident and staff Cheshire rooms India Chennai. We are sincerely thanking to the great effort to serving the food to all our people's residents Cheshire rooms Chennai. Thank you so much, sir.